I am tired of assignments, of homework, of trying to study one day before exam, and instead of trying to understand a single concept, just mugging up all the things in my head. But I think I may have a solution. Hey everyone, I'm Ved and I'm a second year student at NIT Warangal studying chemical engineering. Let's do this. We all use ChatGPT in our daily lives, but if you are doing it the same way, you're not using the full potential of ChatGPT 5 model. You can summarize an entire 100 or more page PDF now if you want to break it in chunks for better understanding. Not just that, you can create prompts for other AIs like Gemini, Perplexity or any other AI you know. And if that doesn't sound interesting, OpenAI just released a new feature called Study and Learn. In this feature, you can not just get help for assignments or homework, you can upload your class PPTs or any other document and tell ChatGPT to create a practice quiz for you so you can revise way faster than you did before. Let's just say I asked GPT to explain me the Euler-Cauchy equation, and as you can see, it will take you from the very basics to your destination, teaching you like a professor does. This is so useful when you're sitting at the last bench, not listening to any of the classes. I hope you're not like me, but it's just so good. On to the next one. Now this is going to be really helpful if you are studying one night before exam, which I don't recommend, but if you are still doing it, I know you have a lot of material like class PPTs, textbook, class notes, and if you want all of this to be summarized in a simple video explanation, Notebook LM should be your first choice. Let's say I drag all these class notes or PPTs of chemistry in this panel and let it analyze a bit. Then I can just select the sources I want and click on video overview. Wait for a few minutes and you have an entire video explanation based on the sources.
Well, it all comes down to this field called industrial organic chemistry.
And you can do it the other way too. If you have a boring video lecture, you can tell Notebook LM to summarize it for you. Not just this, you can create an audio overview for the same. Click on the interactive mode and then let two hosts explain you the concept.
Hello there, curious minds. If you're interested in, well, how the fundamental building blocks of our world get made...
But this Notebook LM is not free, right? Well, not exactly. Google offers a 1-year free trial to the college students like you and me. So when you set up the auto pay, go on the app where you did the payment and cancel the auto pay then and there. And then you can enjoy Notebook LM for free for the entire next year. On to the next one. You've probably heard of Grammarly, which can write good emails, which can help take care of your grammar, your structure of sentences, but unfortunately, it's not free. Whereas QuillBot is a free AI tool which can do the same thing. You can add it as an extension to your browser, and whenever you're writing something, it will help you to be accurate with your language, your grammar, and the structure of sentences you make. You can even use this tool while writing emails, so whenever someone reads it, they feel like you are a pro in the communication game. On to the next one. As a college student, I come across doing presentations a lot, and I think you may have the same problem. And I know how boring it is to spend hours on making a presentation just so that you can go to a friend's house and see he's doing better than you. Don't worry though, Gamma AI can take care of that. But don't do it like a noob. Instead, go on ChatGPT, tell it to make a prompt for Gamma AI about whatever topic you want and mention the theme or the vibe of the presentation. Now you can paste this prompt on Gamma AI website and get the best results possible. On to the next one. I am working as a video editor in the music club in college, and we have a lot of meetings to discuss for the upcoming events. And if you're someone like me who has to attend a lot of online meetings, Tactiq AI is for you. Just install Tactiq AI in your browser and let it take notes for you, so you can focus on the meeting. And yeah, it will keep records of the conversations you had and summarize the entire meeting. And it's only free for 10 meetings a month, but I guess that's enough for people like me. Now I know 5 tools are done, but I would like to tell you about Notion as well. Well, it's not sponsored, but I use it a lot, so I might as well tell you too. Now you guys know what Notion can do, but if you are just using it like a notepad, you are probably living under the rock. Here's what you can do more with it. Create to-do list to keep track of your day. Write scripts or take notes using Notion AI, which is damn useful if you're struggling with generating ideas. You can manage your life using Notion Calendar, organizing your tasks daily, weekly, and even on a monthly basis. Download free templates to help you with your work. Like I recently used it to create my portfolio in just 20 minutes. It just helps you organize your work, your life, and maintain a balance between them. And they do offer a paid version, but trust me on this, you don't need the paid version right now. I guess that's it. My life is going good. I am making videos every single week, and I hope you all are doing good too. My Instagram and my blog link is in the description. I will see you in the next one. Till then, be happy, be fit, and see ya. Love you so much.
Run around, got a lot fools, and I still got the crown like a bad tooth. I am cool, I don't gotta